Alright guys, welcome to the unboxing of the Drano Max Gel. So it was kind of odd today. I went to Lowe's and expecting to find a red container, and it turns out it is now yellow. So they've changed the containers, and now they're no longer red, they are yellow. Anyway, this is what's inside that helps flush drainage and all that good stuff. So probably don't even need a knife for this thing. You can just rip it off with your hands. And we'll grab just the one, because we won't need more than that, I hope. I really hope that we won't need more than that. But anyway, let me take that out of the way for a second so you guys can see how bad the situation is. You can see there's water on this side. Yuck, with stuff coming back up from the drain. And then, as you can see on the other side, there is also water. And when we run the garbage disposal, everything jumps over to the other side and it gets extra disgusting. However, it looks like it's clear here, but then it comes straight back up. Super yucky. And so I'm hoping that Drano will save the day. So let's see how well it does. But that will be in the next video because it's getting too long already in this one. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you very, very soon.